So, hi, good afternoon all. So, today I'm Bhavya from Skyrator Institution. Today we have Mr. Tony Varghese with us, who have joined our course BGP Automotive Designing and Manufacturing. Now he's successfully placed in his core sector job as a design engineer in Bharat Benz. So today we have Tony Varghese with us, who want to share his valuable experience and what he gained from Skyrider. He want to share his experience to us. Let's start. So can you first introduce yourself? Can I know
Uh, I-
about yourself?
okay. I'm Tony Varghese. I completed diploma in mechanical engineering, and after mechanical engineering, I joined Skyrider PGP program in automotive designing and manufacturing. After completing the course, I got a job in my core sector in design engineering, Bharat.
Okay, that's great. Tony, how come you know about Skyrider at first? Like how you know?
Hmm. I know about Skyrider in online platform. In college, they taught me about a SolidWorks and AutoCAD. They teach me in basic only. Designing a automobile, we require solid modeling and surface modeling. I am searched in net in Google. I Google it. Then I found Skyrocket.
Okay, so how was your experience with Skyrider till now?
The experience is very good. Especially, I am thanking the Reshma ma'am and Jyoti sir. They taught me very well. Especially the Jyoti sir. They taught me the NX surface modeling very well. In our company, I am using NX. I am thanking Jyoti sir again and again. He taught very well.
Okay.
Skyrider website.
That, yeah, we are also happy that we have gave some sort of good skills to a potential student like you who want to learn some new things and explore the opportunities, right?
Yes.
So yeah, how was your training offline and online, and how was the trainers helpful for you?
Yes. I am attended the online training. The trainers are very helpful for solving our problems, doubts at any time. At night also, they give answers about our queries.
Okay, so you have attended only online like
Yes.
sessions, right?
Yes. Full
Okay.
online.
Okay, so how was your interview? How was your placement in Bharat Benz? Like, what's the interview process? How you feel when you got when you got to know you have selected in Bharat Benz? What's your experience in it?
Firstly, I am thanking to God. Uh, uh, firstly, when I get the offer letter, I am very shocked. My MNC company, I got selected. The selection process in a two-way process. Firstly, they give the tool test. That is a sheet metal drawing. I have to complete it within 1.5 hours. I completed the tool test in 15 minutes. That is one of my advantage. Second is face-to-face interview. In face-to-face interview, they asked me about my college final year project and and bus body code also. They also asked me. I am I am working in bus plant.
Okay, you have been selected in a good company like Bharat Benz. It's an MNC company in your core sector with the in designing field. Like our skills and our trainers has helped you that much gain that much skills and exposure, so that you get a good job in a MNC company like Bharat Benz. So
Yes.
congratulations for that.
Okay. And I am thanking the Reshma ma'am and Jyoti sir again. They taught me the Solivers and NX very well.
Thank you,
So,
thank you. I'll definitely like share your thanks to them.
so
So yeah, so thank you so much, Tony, like to share your experience with us, like till now, how what's your experience with Skyrated institution and how you got placed and how you got some good sort of skills and good sort of opportunities from Skyrider. So thank you so much, Tony, once again, and congratulations for your selection in Bharat. Thank you.
thank you. Welcome.